Chris here for Ultralink, and in today's video we're going to showcase our brand new wire-free rechargeable security camera. Having no cable or no wires will allow you to place and move the camera anywhere you like indoors. The camera is designed so that you can place it on any flat surface or mount it to the wall. Our wire-free camera produces sharp, crystal clear video and images in 720p resolution. The viewing angle is a full 130 degrees, which allows you to see and capture more of the surroundings. The rechargeable battery will last from 1 to 4 months depending on the usage. One nice thing about the battery, the camera will allow you to adjust the low battery notifications from 50% of life all the way down to 10% of life, giving you lots of reminder time to charge your camera. A USB charging cable and mounting hardware is also included. This feature-rich camera includes night vision, motion sensors, push notifications, and two-way audio. You can also insert a micro SD card for local storage. The camera supports up to a 120 gigabyte card to give you lots of room for recording. We hope you enjoy your new Ultralink product. As always, Ultralink products are designed, serviced, and warrantied right here in Canada. Thanks for watching.